Hello, today I will show you the my new product design. I can design a document management system for my Absol company, Absol Observation of Absolute Solutions. So the user can log in inside this section for the login. If you can click on the sign in, this is you have two sections. And this is DMS, it means document management system, and the other section is human resource HR. So if you click on the human resource HR sections, this is the employee department, and the other sections will be progress in work. So I can or if you click on the home page, this is the home. You can manage your document management systems. This product basically create for your admins and owners. Your owners will they can see and provide the rules and other. If you can click on the DMS sections, so this is the section for pending. They can show you the pending details, complete documents, edit request, delete request, pending documents, folders details, and so on. They can provide the infography of progress your documents. And the other side of the your document managements look like their side. If you have can roles, then can you have shown in this size. In this section you can this is the search bar section. And if you can show you the PDF file search section, this is the PDF file search sections. And if you have any file search on these sites, they will show you. And this sections, if you cannot put on the any files, and you can put any uh, date, look like this. And if you search, then you have this look like this error. So you can click on the back to the list. And this sections, folder sections, basically your department folders. You can create your new folders, these sections, and edit your folders. And you have create a roles. And this is the category. If you have a folder name and actions, you can create a edit category. Means your SEO departments and other departments you can create. And this is the attribute. If you can create a new attributes category data types, you can put look like this. And if you click on the required documents and create, so look like this is the required section you have to show. And action sections, you have all details shown in this data type, category name, attribute names. And if you click on the back to the list, so they can show. So the this is the drop down menu. And if you can click on the roles, what have you you have to do your workers. You can provide any roles with this. They have what the roles you can see. And sorry, this is the attribute sections. So if you can user roles, this is the user role. If you can see, this is user role details you have shown. The basically these all pages look like this. And this section you have 6 pages. You if you can put any categories, so this increase the pages look like this. And you if you have any select for selected, then you have shown this style. And this is the edit request sections. This edit request section you have shown view changes. If you can see, if you admin and HR anyone have need to change, they this section will shown on the clients, show on the admin sections. So you have to approve and reject access. If you approve, then approve sections. have your your HR and admins they have, and they can edit, and if you can reject, they have removed this list. So this is the pending design, because I am working on this design, so that's why I am working on this product. So if you have any questions, and if you need look like this product designs and more features and more functions, so you can contact with me, and search in Google Glimpse Graphic. This is my online services. I can provide you my services. So best of luck. So if you have any product idea, then contact with me.